my blue slime. So yeah, it's big, and it's blue, and it got sparkles in it. And it's mixed with like this purple slime, and it's sticky. Very sticky. So let's get a close up. It's stretchy, and I like it. And this video is not gonna be that long. It's gonna be like a couple minutes, 1-2 minutes, 1 minute 30 seconds, 1 minute, couple seconds. But anyway, yeah, this is my slime. I hope y'all really like it. So yeah, I love this slime. And stay tuned for my channel, because I got a new intro that I posted. Well, I didn't post it, but... Okay, so I'm back. And yeah, this is my slime. I hope y'all like this. Told y'all this video wasn't going to be that long. But my next video, I'm going to try some different slime recipes. I'm going to try the one with the Suave Kids, with salt or whatever. And I'll try a lot. With shimmer and everything. So stay tuned for them videos on my stay tuned for them videos on my channel. Bye.